students, welcome to the online classes of Standard 10. Let's discuss some important points that we discussed in the last videos. If alpha and beta are the roots of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, so alpha is minus b plus root of b square minus 4ac upon twice a, and beta equals to minus b minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon twice a. Okay, these are the values of alpha and beta. Second is alpha plus beta equals to minus b upon a, and alpha into beta equals to c upon a. So what is the value of alpha plus beta? Minus b by a. And what is the value of alpha into beta? C upon a. Nature of roots of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 depends upon the value of b square minus 4ac. So the nature of the roots is totally depends upon the value of b square minus 4ac. That's why b square minus 4ac is called the discriminant and is denoted by a Greek letter delta. What is this letter? Delta. If delta equals to 0, the roots of quadratic equation are real and equal. If delta is greater than 0, then the roots of quadratic equation are real and unequal. If delta is less than 0, then the roots of quadratic equation are not real. What is meant by delta? Delta is the value of discriminant and it is b square minus 4ac. And last, the quadratic equation whose roots are alpha and beta is x square minus alpha plus beta into x प्लस अल्फा बीटा इक्वल्स टू 0. मतलब अगर हमें अल्फा बीटा की वैल्यू पता है तो हम वो क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन इजीली फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो रिमेंबर these points are very important and these points we have to use in practice set 2.5. okay, now move to practice set 2.5. First question is activity, fill in the gaps and complete. So first, quadratic equation is given ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So the value of discriminant is given. If the value of discriminant is 5 and if the value of discriminant is minus 5, we know that. What we have to find out? We have to decide the nature of roots. Value of discriminant is 5. 5 means it is greater than 0. So when the value of discriminant is greater than 0, the roots of quadratic equation are real and unequal. तो क्या लिखेंगे आप यहाँ पे? Roots are real and unequal. And if the value of discriminant is less than 0, minus 5 means it is less than 0, then the roots are not real. Okay, so you must know if the value is greater than 0, then what is the nature of roots, and if the value is less than 0, what is the nature of roots. Okay, now move to second. Sum of roots. Sum of root means alpha plus beta. Sum of root means alpha plus beta. And product of root means alpha into beta. So what we have to find out? We have to find out the quadratic equation. We know that if the roots are alpha and beta, the polynomial is, quadratic equation is x square minus alpha plus beta into x. What is the value of alpha plus beta? minus 7. तो माइनस माइनस क्या हो जाएगा वो प्लस, मतलब हम क्या लिखेंगे यहाँ पे एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 7x प्लस अल्फा इंटू बीटा की वैल्यू क्या है 5. तो क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन हो गया हमारा एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 7x प्लस 5 इक्वल्स टू 0. ओके, so how we can find sum of roots is given. Sum of root is minus 7. It means alpha plus beta equals to minus 7, and product of roots means alpha into beta equals to 5. So just put up the value of alpha plus beta and alpha beta in the equation to get the quadratic equation. Okay, if alpha and beta are the roots of quadratic equation 2x square minus 4x minus 3 equals to 0, then we have to find out the value of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. We know that. What is the formula to find out the value of alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta equals to minus b upon a, and alpha into beta equals to c upon a. So we know that alpha plus beta equals to minus b upon a, and alpha into beta means C upon A. So what is the value of ABC? ABC A means 2, B means minus 4 and C means minus 3. So minus minus 4 upon 2 equals to 4 by 2 equals to 2. What is the value of alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta equals to 2. And what is the value of alpha into beta? Alpha into beta equals to C upon A. C means minus 3 and A means 2 equals to minus 3 upon 2. Okay. Now move to second question. Second question is find the value of discriminant. First equation is x square plus 7x minus 1. So first equation is x square plus 7x minus 1 equals to 0. So find the value of ABC. Here A equals to 1, B equals to 7 and C equals to minus 1. Okay. So we have to find out the value of discriminant means we have to find the value of B square minus 4AC equals to, what is the value of B? 7. So 7 square minus 4 into, what is the value of A? 1. What is the value of C? Minus 1. So equals to, what is the square of 7? 49. Minus minus plus 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4. So 49 plus 4 equals to 53. So what is the value of discriminant in this question? The value of discriminant is 53. So like this you can solve the remaining two examples of question number 2. Question number 3. Determine the nature of foods of the following quadratic equation. So student, we know that to determine the nature of foods of the equation, we have to find out the value of discriminant, and by the value of discriminant we can decide the nature of the foods. Okay, so first of all you have to find out the value of discriminant. So first of all write down the equation. Equation is x square minus 4x plus 4. Okay, equation is x square minus 4x plus 4 equals to 0. Okay, so first of all write the value of ABC. Here A equals to 1, B equals to minus 4 and C equals to plus 4. Okay, so find out the value of B square minus 4AC. So minus 4 square minus B, 4 as it is, A means 1 और C means 4. माइनस 4 का स्क्वायर क्या आएगा? माइनस, आपको पता है कि माइनस नंबर का स्क्वायर हमेशा प्लस आता है, तो माइनस 4 का स्क्वायर आएगा 16 माइनस 4 1 जा 4, 4 4 जा 16, 16 minus 16 means 0. So here b square minus 4ac equals to 0. अगर दोनों की वैल्यू 0 है, डिस्क्रिमिनेंट की वैल्यू 0 है, डेल्टा की वैल्यू 0 है, सो देयरफॉर क्या आएगा? The roots of quadratic equation are real and equal. Real and equal roots क्यों आए? Because value of discriminant is equals to 0. Value of delta is equals to 0, and we know that if the value of delta is 0, then the roots of quadratic equations are real and equals. Okay, like this the remaining two examples are the homework. Okay, thank you.